In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier, we had the toss and Supreme Prep won and decided to allow Maypen Primary to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, and with that time on the clock, we begin with Maypen Primary and Bible knowledge. Which Hebrew boy rose to the position of governor of Egypt?
Joseph.
Correct. Supreme, which Hebrew boy was raised in the home of the Pharaoh of Egypt and became a leader of the Israelites?
Moses.
That's right. Science, Maypen. During fertilization, pollen in a flower moves from what structure to the ovary?
The answer.
Incorrect. The stigma. Supreme, during pollination, in a flower, pollen moves from what structure to the stigma?
Ovary.
Incorrect. The anther. Television, it's a visual. Maypen, please look at the monitor and identify this character from the animated movie Frozen 2.
William.
Incorrect. Ryder. Supreme, look at the monitor and identify this character from the animated movie Frozen 2.
Troll.
Incorrect. Pabby. English language, Maypen. Spell spectacular.
Spectalu.
Incorrect. It's Spectacular. Supreme, spell invincible.
Invincible.
Incorrect. It's Invincible. Sports, it's a visual. Back to Maypen. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Who's that?
Desmond Allen.
Incorrect. It's Karsten Warholm, Norwegian athlete. Now to Supreme. Look at the monitor and identify this person. Maypen, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's Rai Benjamin, US athlete. General knowledge, Maypen. What is the official language of Brazil?
Spanish.
Incorrect. Portuguese. Supreme, what is the official language of Australia?
English.
That's right. Social studies, Maypen. Which set of indigenous people in the Americas lived in houses known as bohio?
Tanos.
Correct. Over to Supreme. What was the name of the main gods of the Tanos? Maypen, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Zemis. We now move to music. Maypen. Slinger Francisco is a birth name of which famous calypsonian from the Caribbean? Supreme, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's the Mighty Sparrow. Staying with Supreme, Winston Foster is a birth name of which famous Jamaican artist?
Something like just something.
Maypen, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
Yellowman. And that's the end of section 1. The scores are Supreme Prep on 2 and Maypen Primary on 2. We go to the break with a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Create a study plan and allow ample time to prepare for your tests. Do a little reading and practice each day so you won't be pressured at test or exam time. Stay with us. Season 20 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.